everyone, welcome to Bunti Menjai Arise channel and Facebook page. How are you today? I hope you are doing good. And before we continue our lesson, let's review the words from the previous video. Did you remember our words? Okay, let's review with me. Fear, fear, afraid, afraid, eyes, eyes, I see, beauty, beauty, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, good job. I hope you still remember our words. Okay, today we will keep going on lesson 36, which talks about the Garden of Gethsemane. So, are you ready? Let's get started. Our first word is painful. Painful. Painful spell P-A-I-N-F-U-L. Painful. For example, why do people believe that love is painful? Painful. For the second word, we have choose. Choose. Choose spell C-H-O-O-S-E. Choose. For example, it's not too late to choose to believe in Jesus Christ. Choose. Third word, we have possible. Possible. Possible spell P-O-S-S-I-B-L-E. Possible. For example, please speak as slowly as possible. Possible. The fourth word we have strength. Strength. Strength spell S-T-R-E-N-G-T-H. Strength. For example, I can do all this through Him who gives me strength. Strength. The last word we have strong. Strong. Strong spell S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong. For example, everyone has their own strong and weak points. Strong. Alright, now please repeat after me. Painful. Painful. Choose. Choose. Possible. Possible. Strength. Strength. Strong. Strong. Good job, everyone. Okay, thank you so much for your time and attention. Please try to remember our words that we have learned today. And if you want to learn more with Miss Jenny Taylor, just click the link below. See you next time in the next video. And have a wonderful day. Bye bye. God bless you.